Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this part 7 video I am going to create a free custom email address with my free domain using Postale.io. Before that, if you haven't watched other parts, then I recommend you to go through other episodes. You can find a playlist in the description which contains all other parts, which will be very much useful for you. Postale.io, which I am using in this video, is described as a free domain email service which is simple, safe, fast, provides 24/7 free support, and it contains all the essential features a mail service should have. Now let's begin with opening our Chrome web browser and search for Postale.io. The link for Postale.io is also given in the description. This is the Postale.io website. Here in this field you can type whatever the custom email that you want. Here I will type support@cspsycho.ml. After that, only type the domain that you own. And in the second field, type your personal Gmail address. Now it's time to configure our DNS. Let's go to our Cloudflare account and add these records in it. The Cloudflare link will be also given in the description. In our part 6 video, we had configured our free domain with Cloudflare account. So if you not watched part 6 video, it's better you go and watch part 6 video and come to part 7. Here click on our free domain which is active and go to DNS. Here we can add all the records which the Postale want. Click on add record to add our first record. First choose MX record and add the values from Postale. Value name will be value will be mail.postale.io. Click on save here. Oh, before that add priority as 0. See, we can see that our record is added successfully. Continue adding all the record that Postale want. Next is TXT record. Do the same for all the TXT records. If we are adding these records in our Infinity free servers, then the Infinity free servers only will provide CNAME record and MX record to change. They will not allow the TXT record to change for a free hosting. That's why we are choosing Cloudflare for adding these records. The last one is CNAME record, which is optional. But don't take risk, let's add this also. After adding all the record, go to Postale and verify my MX record. Sometimes you can get these kind of errors. When you are getting these errors, just go to or verify via TXT record. Now add one more TXT record like this. So this method will speed up your verification process. Click on save and verify via TXT record. This is the email ID and password for our custom email address. Let's go to webmail and try to send some mail to someone or try to receive some mail. So for that, let's go to webmail. Let's log in with our email address and password. This is the user interface of our Postale.io webmail. For checking that it is working or not, let's go to our Gmail ID and send a mail to support@cspsycho.ml. To support@cspsycho.ml, which is our email address, and add some subject. Test message and write something as hello world or anything. Okay, the mail has been sent and this is the mail. Let's go to our Postale.io and refresh this. Yeah, we got our first mail. See, it's working properly. Also, let's try to compose a mail from this webmail. For that, click on compose and write your content, subject and to gmail.v2000@gmail.com. Then something else. This is a reply sent. Oops, subject needed. Hello Genoy. Send message. Yeah, message sent. Now let's check our Gmail. Back inbox. Yes, got it. Hello Genoy from support@cspsycho.ml. It works. Send. Yeah, got the reply also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned and subscribe for the next video. In the next video, we will create a forgot password web page which will send a mail to you, reset your password using this email ID.